I've spent the last 30 days living with 5 of the smartest robot vacuums on the planet. I let them map my home, I made messes for them to clean, and I pushed their software to the absolute breaking point. All of this was to answer one simple question: what is the best high-end robot vacuum for a total beginner in 2026? And I'll be honest, the robot that took the top spot wasn't the one with the longest feature list, but the one that was so reliable, so simple to use, that I almost forgot it was even there. But more on that in a minute. Let's start our countdown with number 5, the DreameL10s Ultra. This thing is an absolute powerhouse. The best thing about it is the sheer amount of tech packed into its all-in-one station. It self-empties the dustbin, it washes the mopping pads, and it even dries them with hot air to keep them fresh. It's an incredibly impressive piece of engineering. This is the perfect robot for the tech-savvy beginner who wants every possible feature and isn't afraid to dive into the app settings to tweak performance. The one honest flaw? That same app, while incredibly powerful, can be a little overwhelming at first. There is a definite learning curve to unlock this robot's full potential. But what if you want that all-in-one convenience without feeling like you need a pilot's license to operate it? That brings us to number 4, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Shark's biggest strength is its simplicity and power. Its matrix-clean navigation is fantastic, cleaning in a tight grid so it never misses a spot, and the self-empty base is loud but incredibly effective. The app is clean, simple, and setting up no-go zones is an absolute breeze. This is for the beginner who wants a reliable, powerful cleaner from a brand they already know and trust, without any unnecessary complications. But it does have one weakness. While its obstacle avoidance is good, it can still get tripped up by smaller things like phone chargers or shoelaces more often than the top contenders on this list. Now, avoiding a cable is one thing, but what about a machine that not only cleans itself but also listens to your every command? At number 3, we have the Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni. The star of the show here is the Omni station. It does everything. It empties the dust, washes the mops with hot water, dries them with hot air, and even refills the robot's onboard water tank. You can literally go weeks without touching it. Plus, the built-in YIKO voice assistant means you can just say, "Okay YIKO, clean the kitchen," without ever opening your phone. This is for the person who wants the most hands-off cleaning experience money can buy. The honest flaw? This whole system is massive. The docking station is a piece of furniture, and you'll need a dedicated, visible spot in your home to park it. Having a huge, powerful base is great, but the real magic has to happen out on the floor. And when it comes to navigating the chaos of a real home, our number 2 pick is an absolute master. It's the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Roborock's navigation is legendary for a reason. This robot moves with an intelligence that is just a step above the rest. Its dual rubber brushes are fantastic for digging pet hair out of carpets, and its sonic mopping system scrubs floors instead of just wiping them. Best of all, both the brushes and the mop can lift completely off the ground, so your high-pile carpets stay perfectly dry during a mopping run. This is for the beginner with a complex home, a mix of floor types, and who just wants the smartest navigation money can buy. The only real flaw here is the price. This is consistently one of the most expensive robots you can buy, and that premium price tag can be a tough pill to swallow. And that brings us to number 1. It doesn't wash its mops with hot water and it doesn't have a built-in voice assistant. So why is it my top pick for a beginner? It all comes down to one word: trust. My number 1 pick is the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. Its best feature is something iRobot calls the POP promise, their pet owner official promise. They are so confident that its front-facing camera and AI can identify and avoid hazards like pet waste, socks, and charging cables that they will replace the robot for free if it fails. That confidence extends to the entire user experience. The iRobot Home app is, without question, the simplest, most stable, and most intuitive app of the bunch. You can set this robot up in 5 minutes and just trust it to do its job without getting stuck or making a bigger mess. This is for the true beginner who is nervous about this whole robot thing. If you want a device that just works, every single time, with zero fuss, this is the one. The honest flaw? The mopping on the combo version is good, not great. You're trading elite-level scrubbing for elite-level reliability and peace of mind. So, from the most feature-packed to the most trustworthy, that's my list of the best high-end robot vacuums for beginners in 2026. I've put links to all 5 of these robots, with the latest deals and pricing I could find, right down in the description below. Check them out and thanks for watching.